In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your winnings from Prizepicks to PayPal, so you can enjoy your earnings quickly and securely. Step 1. Sign in to your Prizepicks account. Open the Prizepicks app or go to prizepicks.com and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to withdrawals. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner or top right on desktop. Select Request Withdrawal from the options. Step 3. Choose your withdrawal method. Select PayPal as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, minimum $10. Step 4. Verify your request. Prizepicks will send a one-time password, OTP, to your email. Enter the OTP to confirm your withdrawal. Step 5. Wait for processing. Withdrawals are typically processed within 6 to 12 hours. You'll receive an email notification once your withdrawal is approved. Important notes. You can only withdraw to a PayPal account you've previously used to deposit funds into Prizepicks. Ensure your PayPal account is active and linked to a valid bank account. Only one withdrawal request is allowed every 24 hours. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Prizepicks tutorials and tips.